So can you just take a wild guess where I am? I am at Kolkata Comic Con 2026. And yes, I'm out of the studios, and of course this is nothing to do with records. But yeah, we have youngsters here. We have a completely different generation, and I'm here to find out how today's audience vibe with records. And I'm going around and I'm going to ask a lot of questions, and I'm going to see if anybody resonates with records. It's going to be fun. So join me on this adventure. Look, we have some more beautiful participants
Hi
here.
there.
Hi there. What are you dressed as?
I'm dressed as Demogorgon from Stranger Things.
Stranger Things. Oh my god, my favorite series.
Mine too.
I'm scared looking at you right
Oh,
now.
thank you, thank you.
How long did it take to get you
It
dressed
took
like
me
this?
around 4 months to do it.
And who made this dress?
I did it myself.
My god, you're an artist.
No, not really. I really wanted to do it. So last year when I came to Comic Con, I really wanted to do it. I just came as an audience like you. So
You look amazing.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
Check this out. What are you dressed as?
I'm cosplaying Varagan Luisenberg from Bleach.
Okay.
It's the king of Spardas,
Okay.
and I really love this character. It's really cool.
You're looking superb. How long did it take to get you dressed like this?
A week.
Oh, a week. Oh my god.
I just had to stitch it all, and I took the inspiration from a burqa actually.
Okay.
Okay, so
But who made this?
Me.
Oh, you made this yourself? Awesome, man. Awesome. And how are you dressed? What is this? Scoob. Okay. Scoob. Nice, man. These are Pirates of Caribbean. Are you guys pirates? Yes. Oh, nice, man. Look. What was your character name? Character name? Shambhu. So I'm in front of this Marvel store, and I have with me this Marvel Guardian of the Galaxy record, and I'm going to ask a few people about if they know what a vinyl record is, and this is going to be fun. Let's check this out. Hi, welcome to Comic Con. What is your name?
My name is Rajorshi.
Okay, are you a big fan of Marvel?
Yeah, I'm specifically fan of Marvel and I'm looking for some Daredevil comics.
Okay, and do you know Guardians of Galaxy?
Yeah.
Do you know what this is?
Not particularly sure, but maybe Peter's mix.
But do you know what this thing is?
Not exactly.
Can you just open and check it out?
Okay, got it. Yeah, like I expected, I think the Peter's
These are
mix.
vinyl records.
Okay.
So I'm from a company called Calcutta Records.
Okay.
We sell music records online.
Okay.
So we just wanted to check in Calcutta how much people know about records.
Yeah.
So just wanted to get your vibe.
It's really nice.
You think this is cool?
It's something very interesting.
All right.
Like, can you play?
Yeah, we have players where you can play this actually.
Okay. So you have all the songs that were part of that.
Yeah, it's a soundtrack, entire soundtrack.
Okay. This is very interesting.
Thank you for your feedback.
Very nice.
All right, enjoy the
What's
day.
your name?
My name is Abhijit.
Okay.
Nice meeting you.
Nice.
Hi, my name is Abhijit. I am from Calcutta Records. What is your name?
My name is Saptarshi.
Oh, you're a big Marvel fan?
Yes, Marvel and DC both.
Okay, I love your shield.
Thank you.
Can you show it up in the camera? Okay. All right. Do you know what this is?
The Guardians of the Galaxy vinyl.
Vinyl.
Yeah.
Do you know about vinyl?
Yeah, my grandfather used to have a record.
Awesome. So the reason of the video, we want to check, how much Kolkata knows about vinyl. Because we have an online store called Calcutta Records, and we sell vinyl online. So we are just checking out the vibe here.
Oh, Kolkata actually knows a lot about vinyl culture because it's very deep rooted in our culture. Because HMV, his master's voice, so was the main institution behind this whole thing. So we have vinyl records, gramophones, and it is basically very nostalgic to us.
Oh my God, you know a lot of this.
So it's very basically, so everything is rooted in our culture. So it's
Let me just show you this.
now that's a new color.
Yeah, so this looks like a shield. We have a red one also. So this is something you would like to collect maybe?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
alright. And this plays very well. It has all the tracks, of this album particularly.
Yes, this nice. So I've been seeing recent reels that the vinyl culture is coming
It's
back.
it's back.
Yeah, and the new very different colors of vinyls are there. They're making different colors and things like new vinyl intros and everything is coming into picture nowadays.
right.
So it's a very good thing. It's a very good thing.
Thank you very much
Thank
for
you
this.
so much.
Have a good day.
Thank
Enjoy.
you so
enjoy. So we're in front of this Marvel store, and I have with me, sir, what's your name?
Indrashish Roy.
Nirashish Roy. Are you a big fan of Marvel?
Yeah,
All right. So, do you know what this is?
it's the Guardian of the Galaxy.
Can you just hold this and see what it is? Take it out.
Okay.
Do you know what this is?
That's the old disc, right?
Yeah, it's a music record.
Okay.
So we just wanted to see, how much Calcutta knows about records, because records are back now, and this is the entire soundtrack of Guardians of Galaxy.
Oh, okay.
So is this something that you would, someday want to collect or hear?
Yeah, sure. Looks good.
So we run calcuttarecords.com. We sell records online. Do check out our store and our YouTube channel.
Sure.
All right. So have a great day here. Enjoy. So, this is something I can relate to. Tinkle. This is what Indian Comic Con is about. Guys, check out this amazing memorabilia store. Guys, check out this shirt store, man. This is cool. I found this amazing artist, Mr. Chottoraj, and he's just going to tell us a little bit about his book. Sir, could you tell me about this book of yours?
Kolkata Kaleidoscope, a graphic novel prepared about 10 years back, which talks about the city of Kolkata and sees different aspects of it. For example, it talks about the autos over here, the food, the different types of people who live over here, the way we do Durga Puja and how the Puja Pratimas are created. It talks about aspects of Kolkata in a non-fictional way.
All right.
That's this graphic novel.
Okay. So just if you could close up on this. So you can see how the idols are being done here. This is how the idols are being done.
Exactly, that's the artwork for that.
So are you from this city?
I'm from Kolkata, yes, always. There's one chapter over here also on Satyajit Ray and the amazing work he's done in different fields of art, literature and film.
And this is about Rasgulla, is it?
Yes. Bangali Mani Rasgulla.
Right.
That has to be here.
Right.
There is one chapter on the Park Street Cemetery.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yes. It's very close to what was my school earlier, St. Xavier's.
Oh, is it?
So we used to visit it quite often.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
I'd like to have you on my channel once again and like to have a detailed discussion.
Sure.
সবাই